one is going to come and defend our country except ourselves. A loud and clear no to corruption by whomsoever.
Leads in Mutangadura murder investigations. The 27th of August 2025. Spread the love. By Crime and Courts reporter, fresh details have emerged suggesting that the late RUWA businessman, Joseph Mutangadura, may have been killed in a carefully orchestrated murder plot linked to his wife's alleged lover. According to reports by a local online news portal, Mutangadura's marriage to his wife, Patience Dambudza, had long been troubled by allegations of infidelity and mistrust. Their marital problems became a talking point in Harari's social circles last year, when Mutangadura reportedly went on a failed manhunt for his wife's suspected lover. At one point, he is said to have moved out of the family home in protest before later returning under tense circumstances. Although the couple appeared to have reconciled by the time of his death, those close to them insist tensions were never fully resolved. The gruesome attack unfolded on the night of Sunday, the 17th of August, when 7 masked men stormed Mutangadura's Lishin estate farmhouse in RUWA. Armed and precise, the intruders tied up a security guard and demanded a description of the businessman before heading directly to his bedroom. Despite his reported plea that he could lead them to cash at his abattoir, the gunmen shot him multiple times in the chest and stomach. Investigators say valuables were left untouched, with the attackers taking only a cell phone worth around $10, a detail that has heightened suspicion that the crime was an assassination rather than a robbery. Patience was struck during the attack and rendered unconscious. She remains hospitalized under police guard as detectives intensify their probe. Sources close to the investigation revealed that her cell phone has been confiscated for forensic examination, a move that has fueled speculation of possible insider involvement. Social media has been awash with leaked messages allegedly linking her to the attackers, though police have refused to comment on the authenticity of the claims. Relatives of the slain businessman are convinced the killing was deliberate. What is disturbing is that the gang was not after money, but the life of Joseph, one family member said, adding that the precision of the operation suggested careful planning. Mutangadura, 67, was a prominent entrepreneur who owned several butcheries, Lishin Estate, and the well-known Mutangadura hideout, a popular leisure spot along the Harare-Mutare Highway. His burial in Goromanzi last Saturday drew a large crowd of mourners, including business partners and community leaders who described him as a determined and resilient figure in Zimbabwe's business landscape. As detectives from the CID Homicide Unit continue their manhunt for the 7 armed suspects, the killing has left RUWA and Goromanzi residents rattled. The unanswered questions around who wanted Mutangadura dead and why have turned the case into one of the most closely watched murder investigations in recent memory.